Hello everybody! Are you following us this week, trying to do something different? You might have seen those beautiful handicraft made by Sarah, Becky and Nicholas' sister that we shared on social media. I particularly like Becky's colourful blanket. So if you're inspired and also want to make something for yourself, but like me, only at the beginner's level, I have something simple and easy to recommend, which is dried flowers. Dried flowers can last for a long time, so if you would like to have some flowers to decorate your table, but do not want to go to the shops too often, these are the best. There are many ways to dry flowers, but we only need to know the very simple way. That is, to hang them up, upside down, for 2 to 3 weeks. After they are completely dry, you can then rearrange them as you wish, in a bottle or as it is. The top tip is, you hang them in a cool and dark place so that the colors of the flowers will keep too. That's all I want to share today. Enjoy making your own dried flowers and being creative. See you next time. Bye!